ARES-1980 is a compact-sized fanless embedded controller designed with high-speed I/Os to improve production efficiency, allowing higher throw rate while providing cutting-edge computing performance with Intel's 11th generation Tiger Lake processors. With SuperFin Technology, offers unparalleled edge computing and enhanced AI performance for your applications. ARES-1980 has integrated high-speed I/O connectivity, including USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2.5 GHz Ethernet, and more. Independent ports are also implemented to maximizing power delivery and data bandwidth, allowing high-speed peripherals to take full advantage of the connectivity. We have improved our digital I/O response time to 100 times faster than before, made it more flexible for automation setups. ARES' own multi-serial bus is implemented to support spatial connectivity, make building solutions easier, supporting I2C, SPI, UART, and GPIO. And to help making maintenance easier, LED indicators are also designed in, including power ignition control and PoE functions. So ARES-1980 supports power on-off delay function and also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard, as well as 5G dual SIM switch functionality. Ideal for vehicle applications where multiple regions services are required. Overall, ARES-1980 have high performance, excellent cooling, and fast I/O to improve your automation efficiency, suitable for machine vision, automation applications, entry-level AI inferencing, vehicle applications, and more.